Because sometimes we tend to operate as if money is inatiririka tu, no? Money is limited, resources are limited. Yeah? And really, I just wish to even take this opportunity once again to plead to our houses of parliament, both the Senate and the National Assembly. We cannot give that which does not exist. Let us take what we have. Ikiongezeka, tutaongeza. Lakini jameni, let us just take what we have. What are we arguing about? Because kama ingekuweko, si tungewapatia. Yeah? I tell people, the Constitution says that we should give a minimum of 15% to devolved governments. My brothers and sisters, within 1 year of taking office in 2013, I had moved that figure to close to 30%. Sasa jameni, labda mimi ndio nilifanya makosa. Yeah? Labda mimi ndio nilifanya makosa. Because now it has been just taken for granted that it is there. It is not there. Right? We give what we can because we want to ensure that we deliver services. Why now? What are we arguing about? Because at the end of the day, hasabu ikifanywa namna hii ndio itatokea. Why don't we approve this bill? Mulete pesa hapa, watu walipo mishahara yao, dawa ipelekwe kwa mahospitali, wananchi waweze kuendelea na maisha yao. Why are we punishing them? Because we are arguing until we want more. Ona Kenya kile Mungu anasema ile kidogo uko naye jameni, kwanza tumia hiyo, you know, ikipatikana nyingine uongeze. Lakini sasa hii kila siku ni mashindano. Tunashindana na maisha ya wananchi. Tafadhalini, kwa heshima kuu, jameni, sikilizaneni. To release pesa ndio wajumbe hawa, serikali ya Nakuru na kaunti zingine siweze kuendelea kupatia huduma wananchi wa jamhuri yetu. Hiyo tu ndio ombi langu. You know, I always tell people that devolution is not competition between levels of government. Devolution is two levels of government complementing one another in the delivery of services to her people. And I want to commend Nakuru County especially for the manner in which during both terms we have never argued, we have never clashed with your previous governor, with your current governor, with your current leadership. We have always been focused on the agenda of delivering for the people. And I think this is a wonderful thing, because this is the spirit that we should all have. How can we work together? How can we pool the limited resources? Because you know, resources are not unlimited, they are limited. But how can we utilize those resources in the best manner possible? Bwana Speaker, wajumbe wa kaunti ya Nakuru, hongera na heko ya kwamba munaweza kukaa bila kulazimishwa na mtu yeyote, na munasema ya kwamba ati pesa ya safari za nje na nini hamtaki, munataka hiyo pesa iende kwa maendeleo. Hongera kwenu. That is a sign of leadership, true mature leadership, that you want your resources, because you know they are limited, to go where they will have the most impact. I don't think I cannot live here with a better thing, Bwana Speaker, kushinda hiyo. Yeah? Kushinda hiyo. And I wish all of us would take a leaf from what we have heard from Nakuru today. All of us would take a leaf from this. Mimi nataka kuwashukuru tena kwa kunikaribisha hapa kwenu. Niwapongeze kwa kazi njema mnaendelea kufanya, na niwahakikishie ya kwamba in me you have a partner in development. Mungu awabariki, Mungu alinde. Bwana Spika, asante sana kwa kutualika na kutupatia nafasi hii ya kuongea na wajumbe wako. Asanteni sana.
Of the members to say something, and I was hearing from ODM, Wiper Party. Nakuru is a county of the Honorable Kutol, the minority whip, ODM party, Honorable Skering, the deputy chief whip, Honorable Your Excellency. We have 21 chairmen, because we have 21 committees, which are not going to introduce them, but Honorable Sister Boy, we will have the women rep, Honorable Lisa Chirule.
Because of emulating your good leadership of cohesion, when His Excellency the Governor submitted the names from different tribes.
Kuongelesha pale State House, tuongea at least ndio nionekane different from last parliament. And you remember wakati you used to be governor that time when you came here and you had a meeting at State House so that you can tell us what you are going to help us.